Meaning of gismo.
Gizmo.
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 Gizmo. The word gizmo, also spelled as gizmo, is a slang term that refers to a small device or gadget, often with a practical purpose but not necessarily essential. It can be used to describe things such as a high-tech electronic gadget, a mechanical tool, or even a simple household item with an unusual function. The term is often associated with technology and innovation, and it is commonly used in casual conversation and marketing materials for consumer products. Overall, gizmo is a word that captures the spirit of creativity, ingenuity, and modernity.